Now I'm going to finish off Abuelito's hat rack. Ready to cut the hooks? We only needed 4 of those, Dusty. That's okay, Dusty. We all do. Come on, let's glue this in. The party at Kenny's house is starting very soon.